First thing, let's learn a quick combination of keystrokes that you can use to quit or unfreeze any application that is not responding on the Mac. So let's have a look. The combination is Command, Option, Escape. I'm going to do it one more time and try to do it as well as you're watching. Command, Option, Escape. This will open a force quit application window where you can basically say, well, you know what, the keynote is not responding, I can force quit. And that will force quit this application. Another thing that I would recommend you do is check your login items. So what are login items? Login items are the items that launch automatically when you turn on your computer. You turn on your computer, those items just log or start automatically without you knowing, and they're working in the background, and sometimes they slow your computer down. Where to find them? Let's go into our system settings and look for login items. Let me switch this off. Login items, logging items and extensions. This is what we're looking for. Once you're here, there are several things that you can look at. The first thing is open at logging. I bet you will be surprised how many things you had, but you were not aware of, that are open at logging. Here they are. These are the applications, and have a look at them. Think for yourself, do I really need them to open at logging? Because they'll be just sitting there in the background soaking up some juice from your processor. I don't really need all this stuff. So I'm going to select Skype and then Evernote. I don't really need that. So I just need one application to open at logging. Another thing to look is what applications are allowed in the background. And here, you need to be a bit cautious and careful. While here, those applications, you can pretty much be confident that you're not going to cause any problems. But with those ones, sometimes those things need to run in the background. But for some items like Google Updata, do you need to run it in the background? You can decide yourself, or Adobe Creative Cloud. I turn off most of the things, but again, be cautious what you turn off and turn on, but also be mindful and aware of the things that you allow to run in the background. Today we've looked at how you can make sure that any app that causes you the problem can be terminated by Command, Option, Escape. We also looked at login items, list of things that automatically open at login, and how to make sure that that list is limited to what you really need. I hope this was helpful, and I hope to see you next time.